Welcome to the next video in this Audi S6 restoration. You join me at a particularly chaotic time in my workshop build. I have a ramp that needs installing soon. I have a half-built office, and I have a very stationary, immobile and heavy Audi S6 taking up space in my workshop. Now, I want to get this done pretty quickly, but right now it's in the way. The big question is, this car was sold as runs and drives from Copart. Did they lie to me? Let's find out. So the problem is that when I bought this car, it got delivered and it drove into the workshop absolutely fine. However, literally minutes after I shut off the engine, it was completely dead. Absolutely nothing, which I hope is just the battery. But the other thing I noticed when I drove it in is there was a huge red flag, I guess, for these cars. And that it was stuck in fourth gear, and it would reverse and go into fourth, and there was a big kind of red line across the dashboard showing all of the gears, which suggests a certain problem with these. Thinking about it, it could be related to very, very low dashboard, very, very low battery voltage, but I guess there's one way to find out. So today I'm going to change the battery, which there's loads of how-to videos on YouTube showing this, so there's, I'll just show you a quick time lapse. Fingers crossed it starts the car, and then if it does work, I'll drive it outside and give it a jet wash off, and then we can really assess how bad this bodywork is. Once the ramp is installed here in this workshop, I can have a look at the gearbox, but we'll see. So hopefully I've got a battery for it. Hopefully it's going to do the trick. We'll see. Big cars like this have got a lot of electrical systems, particularly in this era that like to drain batteries. I'm not aware myself of anything in particular with these, just general experience of this sort of era of car. Lots of random problems. So hopefully it's none of those and it's just a low battery. I live in hope, because when it had its small crash, which wrote it off, it did drive. So I'm assuming somebody was using it every day. As to why it got written off, we'll cover in another episode, but we'll see. So yeah, totally dead right now. Cue time lapse. So now the moment of truth. I really hope this works. It's a good start. We've got all the lights. Right, this will be probably the ultimate cold start if it all works out. Oh, fans kicking in. The car is coming back to life. Here we go. I think we can say it's fine. Excellent. Right, and there's no warnings on the dashboard either, so wow, what a sound. I don't know if this is coming across on the microphone, but this sounds incredible. Right, I am very happy. I think this means that I'm going to get the pressure washer out, and there'll be another funky little time lapse, and it's going to start looking a lot better very, very soon. It sounds incredible. Amazing, this can't be standard. Right, I'll let it all warm up for a minute. Yeah, it looks like it's charging okay. There's no error on the dashboard, so hopefully that was just a low battery situation. See if the radio works. Radio's working. Very nice. The car is alive. So I think, although the next bit I'm going to be cleaning it, I think I can conclude that Copart did not lie. This car does run and drive. So I think we'll play out with a bit of car washing. Bye.